Hello dear students, today I am here to teach you chapter 9 from your mathematics textbook, and the name of the chapter is money. So, what is money? Money is a medium of exchange. We have to buy various things from the market for our daily needs. For buying things, we need to pay money to the shopkeeper. Our Indian currency has two forms, rupees and paise. Rupees is denoted by this symbol and paise is denoted by P. Notes that we have in India are 5 rupees note, 10 rupees note, 20 rupees note, 50 rupees note, 100 rupees note, 200 rupees note, 500 rupees note and 2000 rupees note. The pictures of the notes are as follows. We also have coins. The coins that we have in India are 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin and 10 rupee coin, and the pictures are as follows. Now, do you know the relation between rupees and paise? The relation is 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. We can also combine notes by different coins. As for example, let us take rupees 10. Rupees 10 can be combined by 2 5 rupee coin, 5 2 rupees coin, 1 5 rupee coin, 2 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. Now, let us go to page number 150. Some questions are given there. Let us try to solve those questions. The question is as follows. Count and write the money in each of the following. 1 5 rupee coin and 1 10 rupee coin is equal to 15 rupees. 1 2 rupee coin, 1 5 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin is equal to 8 rupees. 1 20 rupee note and 1 25 rupee note is equal to 25 rupees. Now, let us go to page number 159 and solve the question. The question is as follows. Draw lines to match the correct amount on the left and to the toys on the right costing the same amount. So, now this 10 rupee note, 2 rupees and 2 rupees is equal to 14 rupees. So, we will have to match with the thing on the right side, that is of rupees 14. That means we have to match this with the balloons which is on the right side. Now, 500 and 4 100 is equal to 900. So, this will match with the cycle which is cost of 900. Now, rupees 5. On the left side we have this thing of rupees 5. So, we will match rupees 5 here. Then 35 rupees. The pencil box is of rupees 35. So, we will match rupees 35 with the pencil box. Then 50 plus 20 plus 5 will have 75. So, the ice cream tub is of rupees 75. We will match 75 rupees with this ice cream tub. Now, 125, the cost of this ball is 125. So, we will match 125 with this ball. Now, let us go to page number 152. We have some questions. Let us solve them. Find the change. If we buy a coke for rupees 3 and fruits for rupees 10, we have to pay rupees 13. Now, we have to find that if 20 rupees is paid, how much will be returned back. To find the change, we have to subtract 13 from 20. After subtracting, the result we get is 7. So, now we have to combine 7 rupees in 5 rupee note and 1 rupee coin. And the combination is 1 5 rupee note and 2 1 rupee coin. Similarly, try to solve the other questions. With this, I conclude. Thank you.